what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Thin Fit case here for my Google Pixel 6a. This is a $14.99 case on Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing this case, you will get Prime shipping. Follow my Amazon affiliate link down in the description. I would appreciate that because you would be supporting my channel if you did. So big thank you. So let's get this bad boy out. So as far as the packaging goes, looks like all the other Spigen boxes, like I've said in all my videos. Branding there, picture of the case there, basic stuff on the back. Let's get to the main attraction. So let's get this bad boy out. All right, and here we go. So there is the Spigen Thin Fit case. Looks like the Pixel 6 Spigen Thin Fit case, right? So definitely has that recognizable look. On the inside, has that same type of texture that is on the outside. Feels very nice. Got some Spigen something you want sticker and stuff in there. Does have air cushion technology in the corners to help with drop protection, which is great. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 6a. Let's slap it in. And that is all she wrote. So it's very, very simple install. Looks great. I love the thin fit case. It's a very slim, very minimal case, but it has this really nice kind of like they describe it as a hybrid polycarbonate and TPU material. So it's just got this really great grip and feel to it. One thing though with this case is it does show smudges quite easily. So you're definitely going to want to use your shirt or microfiber cloth or something if you do notice your oils and stuff all over the case. But there it is. There is the branding there. Very minimal down at the bottom. Has this just great texture, guys. Very simplistic look. As you can see, definitely has a little bit of a lip around the lenses, so they're nicely recessed in there. So you are going to get some lens protection. On the side here, the exact same thing, but if you notice, it's kind of split in half. So you kind of have this texture here, and then it goes into this more matte finish, and that's kind of where that kind of hybrid structure comes into play. But as you can see here, we have some very nice raised volume up and down and power buttons that have just a little touch of high gloss in the middle, and then nothing really else other than that. Looking at it from the bottom here, have a nice cutout there for the USB-C charging port and the speakers. I don't know why I can't get it in focus. There we go. And then going to this side here, nothing at all. And then at the top, we have our hole punch for the mic up top. Now looking at it from the front, we do have some nice raised lips all around the front of the screen, as you can see there. So definitely going to get some good screen protection with this case. And then looking at it from the front up here, it has what they call their like audio tunnel technology or something like that. And basically what it does is just kind of goes over the speaker a little bit to help amplify the sound. I can't really tell a major difference, if any at all, but at the end of the day, it's there. It looks clean. It's simple. I like it. So not bad at all. That's the look of it from the front. So very simplistic, very basic looking, but that is okay because that's the whole point. And then flipping it around, there it is again. Now let's go ahead and check out the wobble and kind of shakiness of this case. So actually, that's a bad angle because I kind of put those things together. So face down, no shaking at all. And then back down, no shaking at all either. So very flat, as you can see. So very flat on the back, very flat on the front, no wobble, shakiness going on at all. Next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, very clicky buttons, guys. So if you like clicky buttons, this case passes with flying colors like a lot of the other Spigen cases. So overall, guys, my impressions of this case is exactly like all the other Spigen thin fit cases that I've reviewed in the past. It's a great case, feels fantastic in the hand, has a very great grip and texture to it, but very minimal, right? Very minimal, Very sophisticated looking, right? Looks great with that darker black, Daft Punk bar there. I just think it looks great. And as you can see, like just whenever the light hits it in different angles, it just looks sexy. So very great looking case, guys. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.